Hi, my name is Claire Anderson and I'm going to show you how to set up your Clairella Cakes airbrush and compressor kit. First step is to get your kit out of the box. Inside the box you'll find your Clairella Cakes single action 2cc airbrush. Also 2 airbrush holders that can be attached to either side of the compressor. Then a nice long hose. Ensure there are no kinks along the length which may prevent airflow when attached to the compressor. Locate the air outlet which is on the side of the compressor. Gently ease one end of the hose over the air outlet and push firmly to guide the hose down as far as it will go. Connect the other end of the hose to the airbrush by gently easing over the stepped adapter on the underside of the airbrush. Push firmly to guide the hose on as far as it will go. Connect the power cable to the power input found at the bottom of the compressor by inserting the mini jack. Place in an upright position on the work surface and plug in. Your airbrush and compressor are now ready to use. Before beginning your first project, it's important to learn how to operate and control your airbrush, so I would recommend that you practice first on paper or kitchen towel. Place a few drops of colour into the airbrush cup. Turn on your compressor by pressing the on-off button. Use the mode button to choose your setting. Practice regulating the flow by using your modes, working the airbrush trigger and varying the distance between the spray and the surface. To finish spraying, remove your finger from the trigger. Always return your airbrush to the holder on the compressor and you are ready to go.